You know the best thing about being in business? That there's no boss. You know what is the worst thing being in business? There is no boss.
His positive attitude, a go-getter.
When I started building my business, after a few months I realized that I'm missing that boss, that coach in my life.
As a leader, he is very clear about his vision.
And then I thought, a lot of business owners who are building up their business, they also need coaches. And that's where I decided to get into this business, where I can guide these business owners.
He's very, very focused. He knows exactly what he wants.
So my entire process is that how I can pull out this business owner from being in the business and bring him on the business so that they can scale up their business.
Aseem, as a leader, is somebody who gives you empowerment.
He's very focused on efficiency when it comes to delivery of things.
As a mentor, I think he's fantastic.
When it comes to work, there's a lot of seriousness, there's a lot of focus. Besides that, a lot of fun.
If I have to define myself, I'm a business coach. When I'm working with my clients, I also end up sharpening my pencil every time. So I come back rich. And that's why, if you ask me what I am today, so I'm a learning coach. My customers are number of SMEs, number of business owners who are trying to scale up their business. So anybody whose business is growing very fast and they need help in terms of building up people capability, building up processes, or your business is stuck. How you're going to go to next level, how you're going to come out of it. They are my customers. And normally, I joke at times, my job is like a hospital or a gym. If you want to build your muscles, you go to gym. If you're not well, you go to hospital. My organization is a hospital as well as a gym. Come to us, we'll find out and make sure that you start the journey of being healthy and grow from there. In SME space, the key challenges lies first with the business owner himself. Business like me become limitation at times. We start our business with a lot of passion, we want to take it forward, but then we don't let things go, we don't empower people, and we try to do everything ourselves. When we are so busy in operational day-to-day work, we are not able to take organization to next level. So the first challenge lies with the business owner himself about being into everything. The second challenge is about getting the right kind of people. The third challenge lies in implementing those processes, bringing in the stability so that the business is no more personality driven, it's process driven. And the fourth challenge for them is how they're able to imbibe that passion, that conviction in their team member. Today is an era of high growth or degrowth. Market is very competitive, but there are ample opportunities also. We can look around in last decade, there are businesses which have grown very fast, and there are businesses which are doing very well and they have failed or they have degrown. What could be the reason? Has strategy failed or execution? And 70% time we find out poor strategy execution. So execution is the key. Keeping that in mind, we created this model called BET, Build, Execute, Transform and Transfer. In this model, we build a vision, we build a strategy map, and we build actionable around that. And then we help our clients in executing that. Our skin is equally in the game. Business owners are so busy building business that they neglect their personal life, they neglect their professional life. They're so passionate about building everything. But it is very important that they need to focus on themselves. They need to focus on their own health. They need to focus on their family and social life also. So we have designed a program which is a 1-year-long intervention with business owners with a boot camp for 4 days, where we say, let's scale up you, your life and your business in that order only, where we take them out of business and we ask them to focus and reflect on yourself. What are your challenges? What are you neglecting in your life? And then about their family life and their social life. This program Scale Up is based on Gallup BP10, Builder Profile 10. It talks about 10 talents or traits of successful business owners. For example, they talk about profitability, they talk about relationship, they talk about disruption, they talk about knowledge, they talk about selling skills. Now these are various traits which are very important, and we use that as an assessment tool to assess where is this business builder on these talents. Because if he has to lead and make a big organization, create success for his dreams and vision, whatever he's trying to do, it is very important that his all muscles need to be strong. In last 5 to 7 years, we are able to create a lot of success stories. and these customers can really vouch for us. So we understand your business, we understand your challenges, and we have solution for you.
See him as my mentor. See him as my, see him as my boss. See him as my friend.
Bet has worked wonders for us, and I can bet on Bet.
They are able to take several harsh decisions that I alone was not capable of taking, or many emotional aspects used to interfere.
Now we are at the verge when they are making us independent, and we have to take it forward from there on, and we feel very confident that we would be able to take it on.
While working in this space, one of my aspirations is to build a business builders forum, a forum where hundreds of these SMEs, they can come together, they can exchange their views, they can talk about their challenges, they can learn from each other. Solution lies there within them, but there has to be a platform and they can come together, they can exchange their views freely and openly without feeling competitive or insecure. So if you want to scale up yourself, your life and your business, let's talk.